Hey everybody, Pineapple Dan here with a new property update. I haven't posted a video in a long time, but I certainly wanted to share with you some of the work that's been done here in Niagara Tropics over the past year. So that said, we've increased the size of our property, in which all the palms, when they come in, get stored in this general area right here. And believe you me, it doesn't look very big on the camera, but it is a significant size. But I wanted to plant a bunch of bananas, so I've got this grove in from last year. I've got some grasses, some more. I've accommodated a small crepe myrtle. I'm going to be trying that out, as well as again, a pindo. I've got my Trachycarpus tequila that I brought from the last property. I was able to transplant that very nicely. In fact, this one seems to be extremely happy with some seeds growing off into the side there. So that'll be interesting on how that develops. And of course, you can't have a tropical property without some sort of tropical symbolism and a pool cabana at the same time. So I've continued on with some more bananas, some double windmills. I have of course some saw palmettos that I'm trying as well. This one seems to be hit and miss, but we will give it a try. I've failed with them in the past, so I hope to develop a better technique on them this year. I've got some seedlings growing there. I've got a sable miner, and of course some seeds have fallen off this double windmill at one point, and it seems to have transplanted in various areas. There's another seedling right over here like this. So they seem to be naturalized nicely as they fall out of these trees right here. So we'll just continue on a little bit further here. Some Abyssinian red bananas. Those have stunted with this year, very lack of rain, lack of moisture. Got another double windmill this side here, which produced quite a bit of seed as well, and some have naturalized as well, but I'm not going to get into that a little bit. And of course, you can't have a yard without a pindo palm. So this pindo is a 100-gallon format, weighs close to 500-600 pounds. Anyways, a lot of fun to move, but I am going to be getting another one for the front of the property next spring. And of course, crotons add a little bit of color. Another 30-gallon windmill that was planted this year. And I'm experimenting with a nice magnolia this year as well. So this here is a little gem. Some of you have seen this on Facebook and other platforms. However, we will see where this goes. We're in zone 6B, 7A, USDA, and right here in Niagara-on-the-Lake. So we are going to see exactly what this winter brings. It's supposed to be a harsh one, but again, the teepee method of protection will be the way to go this year. Anyhow, I will post an update soon.